this. What if I told you that you could make money in crypto gaming without ever touching a controller? No grinding, no playing, no endless hours wasted. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in the next 20 minutes, I'll reveal real, proven ways to profit from the booming world of crypto gaming while doing absolutely nothing. Stick around, because method number 5 is something even experienced crypto investors are sleeping on. Why this matters. Crypto gaming isn't just about playing, it's an entire economy, a digital world where assets are traded, staked, rented, and flipped for profit. And while millions are grinding in game, the smart ones are making money in the background. You don't need to be a gamer to cash in. You just need to know where the money is flowing. Before we dive in, hit that like button to help the YouTube algorithm find more people who want to make money online. And if you're serious about passive income, make sure to subscribe, because we break down the smartest ways to earn in crypto every week. Renting out NFTs. First up, renting out gaming NFTs. Imagine you own a digital sword or a rare spaceship inside a blockchain game. Instead of using it, you rent it out to players who need it to win battles or complete missions. Platforms like Axie Infinity's scholarship program, Decentraland's virtual land rentals, and the Sandbox's NFT marketplace allow you to earn passive income. And the best part? You don't even have to manage this manually. Smart contracts handle everything for you. Potential monthly earnings: $50 to $500 plus. Staking game tokens. Next, we have staking game tokens. If you've ever heard of earning interest in a bank, this is the crypto gaming version. You simply hold a gaming token, like SSAND, ILV, or AXS, and lock it in a staking pool. In return, you earn passive rewards. For example, the Sandbox lets you stake SAND tokens and earn up to 20% APY. And some new projects, like Illuvium, have even higher yields during launch phases. Investing in gaming guilds. Now, let's talk about gaming guilds. These are massive organizations that invest in gaming assets, characters, land, weapons, and then rent them to players. The guild makes money, and investors like you can buy shares in the guild's success. Gaming guilds like Yield Guild Games, YGG, and Merit Circle, MC, allow investors to earn profits from the gaming economy without ever playing. Potential monthly earnings varies based on market conditions. Flipping virtual real estate. What if you could own digital land inside a game and sell it for a profit? That's exactly what's happening in Decentraland, the Sandbox, and Otherside. Investors are buying land plots and flipping them as demand grows. Just like real-world real estate, location matters. Land near high-traffic areas, like concert venues and shopping districts, sells for a premium. Potential ROI: 2x to 10x plus, depending on market trends. Investing in upcoming game tokens. The last method, investing in early-stage gaming tokens. Think about it. Axie Infinity's token, AXS, went from $0.12 to $160 at its peak. That's a 1,333x return. Finding the next big gaming token before it explodes can be life-changing. By getting into early token sales, you're essentially buying the stock of a game before it launches. High risk? Yes, but the rewards can be massive. Potential ROI: 5x to 100x plus. High risk, high reward. Final thoughts and call to action. So, there you have it. 5 ways to make money in crypto gaming without playing. Whether you choose renting NFTs, staking, gaming guilds, virtual real estate, or token investing, the opportunities are endless. But the real question is, which strategy will you try first? Comment below and let's discuss. And if you found value in this video, hit like and subscribe for more passive income strategies every week.